So Fortnite Chapter 2 Remix just launched a couple days ago, and I already dropped a guide on how to fix FPS stutters, but now people are having lots of issues with latency and ping, so in today's video, we're gonna fix that. So make sure you stick to the end because the last fix is the most important. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is create a restore point, so if anything goes wrong at any point, you can restore your point to before you did these settings. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is come down to your bottom left screen, right click on it, press search, and then type in restore point. And click on this right here, and as you can see right here, it says press configure or create, and press configure, turn on system protection, and then move this to about 2%, and then press apply and OK, and then create restore point and name it whatever you want. All right, and once you create a restore point, the next thing we're going to do is go into our settings. And from your settings, you're gonna go to network and internet, and then you're gonna scroll down and go to change adapter options. And as you can see, you probably will have one or two things here, but I only have my Ethernet, so I'm gonna right click on it and press properties. And then on the internet protocol version 4, you're gonna click on this and press properties. And then you're gonna type in the following DNS server, 1111 and 8888. And then all you gotta do is press OK. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is come back here and press configure. And then you're gonna come here, and there might be more settings here, but these are the only ones you really need. Is you need to go to speed and duplex and make sure it's at the highest one, which is for me 1 gigabytes full duplex. Make sure it's on that. And then just copy these settings and press OK. Next thing we're gonna do is run a CMD command to flush your DNS. Technically, you should do this before you change your DNS server, but I'm just gonna do it now. So what you're gonna wanna do is right click on your bottom left corner, press run, type in CMD, press OK. And then what you're gonna type in is ipconfig, and then space /flush DNS. And then Windows IP configuration, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. After we ran that last command, now we're gonna run one more command, and this will restore health on our PC to the best version it possibly can, which is gonna be DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth, and you're gonna click enter. This might take a while for it to render out kind of and fully restore the health, but once you do it, you should have no more issues with basically everything. And it helps clear up your PC's corrupt files and everything like that. And as you guys can see, the operation completed successfully and it restored all the corrupt files on my PC. After you do this, obviously, you guys can close CMD. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is go back into our settings. If you're in your settings, you're gonna wanna go to update and security and go to delivery optimization. You're gonna make sure allow downloads from other PCs is off, and then you're gonna click advanced options right here. Once you're in advanced options, you're gonna make sure percentage of measured bandwidth and these two are clicked and set all the way to the end. Next thing we're gonna do is go back into our settings and click privacy and scroll down all the way to background apps and click let apps run in the background and make sure it is off. This will turn off all background apps, which will make your PC run so much faster and give you so much less input delay and lower ping. Now this next tip is only for Nvidia graphics card. What you're gonna do is right click on your desktop, go to Nvidia control panel, and you're gonna go to manage 3D settings. You're gonna scroll down until you see low latency mode, and you're gonna make sure that is set to ultra. Then you're gonna press apply and OK and close this out. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is turn off packet loss, basically. So what you're gonna do is go bottom left corner of your screen, right click, press run, and I already have it typed out. It is gpedit.msc. So you're gonna type this in and you're gonna press OK. Now what you're gonna do is go into administrative templates, go to network, and you're gonna find QoS packet scheduler. Then you're gonna go to limit reservable bandwidth, double click on it, and you're gonna change from not configured or enabled to disabled, press apply and OK, and close this out. And finally, another thing that I do to significantly lower my ping and packet loss and even delay is by using exit lag. Now, exit lag, you guys have probably all heard about it. I just recently started using it, and it's actually helped me out a lot. Exit lag is really easy to set up, and it even has tabs on it to give you FPS boosts and lower your input delay. If you guys want to check out exit lag, I think you get a free day trial for it. Make sure to use the link in the description and or in the comments down below. And yeah, it's great. I love it. I personally use it. I bought the premium for the whole next year. It's amazing. I highly encourage you guys to check it out if you guys have really bad internet and want to fix that. Another thing to lower latency and improve your ping by just a little bit is to go down in the bottom right corner, click on this little arrow, and it will show you all the things that are opened up while you're playing games, which the less here, the better. So like I can close Logitech G Hub. I can also close Discord. I'm not going to because I'm currently in a Discord call, but you can do that as well. And closing out most of the apps here besides the game that you're playing will actually improve your performance by a lot because you don't have as many background stuff running either. Another thing you can do is pressing Ctrl Alt Delete on your keyboard and pressing Task Manager. And once you get into your Task Manager, you can go to Details and you can scroll down and either find your Fortnite or any other game that you're playing, and you can right click on it. I'll use Discord as an example. Right click on it and you can set priority to high and then press Change Priority, and that will be set to high priority. So now it will prioritize Discord over anything else. You can do that for any game you play. It helps out a lot. It's improved my performance on my PC a lot more. There is one more thing you can do. There's one more thing you can do to improve your latency and your ping, even if it's by the slightest amount, and that's downloading Fortnite on a separate launcher. I have a whole different video for this launcher right here. This is called Rare GUI. This is the launcher I use. I do not use the Epic Games launcher, but this made my latency go down by a lot and my ping go down by a lot. I don't know what it is. I don't know why this launcher works better. But it just does, and a lot of pros use this launcher as well. So if you guys want to go watch that, I will leave that in the description, and if you guys need fixes for your FPS, I'm gonna leave that video at the end. All right guys, now we're in Fortnite and we're gonna change some things in here as well. So first thing you're gonna do is go into your settings and you're gonna make sure that you are in full screen mode, not window full screen. The only reason I have it on windowed full screen is because I am currently recording a video. Next, you're gonna make sure you're on performance mode. And you're gonna scroll down all the way and you're gonna make sure all of these are low or near. Then you're gonna come to this third tab over and make sure Nvidia highlights and peripheral lighting are off. You're also gonna make sure that activate sleep mode after is set to never, enable idle energy saving is off, and energy saving is off as well. You should have like record replays and stuff right here. I don't know, it's not showing up in my Fortnite right now, but you should have those off as well unless you are trying to record your replays, because those do affect not only your ping, FPS, and input delay, they also just affect your overall game and make it a lot slower. So yeah, I recommend turning those off. The last thing you're gonna do is come to your last tab and you're gonna make sure that public game stats are off. This constantly sends a feed to Fortnite Tracker or other sites like that to update your settings, which absolutely cooks your PC. Basically, after you do all that, you should have just the best ping and FPS you possibly can, and lowest delay. This really isn't an FPS guide, but some of the things you do fix your FPS as well. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I love you all. Make sure you use code NOTFLOW in the Fortnite and Rocket League item shop. #ad, #epic partner. I love you all. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace.